Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to remove a school logo from your bag. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need rubbing alcohol, several cotton balls, a soft, clean cloth, and a small plastic scraper. Before applying anything, always test the rubbing alcohol on a small, hidden area of your bag to ensure it won't cause discoloration or damage. Finally, lay your bag flat on a protected surface, like an old towel, to prepare for the removal process. Now, let's get to the core of the removal. Take a cotton ball, saturate it generously with rubbing alcohol, and gently dab it directly onto the school logo. Allow the alcohol to soak into the logo for about 2 to 3 minutes, softening the adhesive. Then, using your plastic scraper, carefully begin to lift the edges of the logo. Work slowly and methodically, reapplying alcohol as needed to keep the logo pliable and make the removal smoother. Once the logo has been completely removed, there might be some sticky residue left behind. Don't worry. Take a clean, damp cloth and gently wipe the area to remove any remaining adhesive or alcohol. For particularly stubborn spots, you can use a tiny amount of a specialized adhesive remover, like Goo Gone, but always test it first. After cleaning, allow your bag to air dry thoroughly in a well-ventilated space for at least a few hours before using it again. Remember, this method works best for heat-pressed or vinyl logos, not embroidered ones, which require a different approach. Always ensure you're working in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling fumes from the rubbing alcohol or any adhesive removers. Patience is key throughout this entire process. Being gentle and taking your time will prevent any accidental damage to your bag's fabric. You'll have a logo-free bag in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.